In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello username. Navigating Trello's user settings can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll go through it step by step so you'll have a new username in no time. First, you'll want to head over to the Trello website. Open your web browser and type in Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can choose your preferred method of logging in, whether through your email and password or by connecting through an OAuth provider like Google or Microsoft, depending on how your account is set up. Ease of access is all about preferences and security, so choose whatever's most convenient and secure for you. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The next step is to select any of your boards. Now, you may wonder why you need to go into a board to change settings, and the reason is simply that from here, you'll have the best access to your account settings. Pick any board. It doesn't matter which one, as this is merely a gateway to the next step. Once you're in a board, the next thing you should do is click on your avatar or initials in the top right corner of the page. This action will open a drop-down menu. Simple as it seems, this step is crucial as it grants you access to all personal settings. Now, go to Settings, which is clearly marked in the menu. This section is where you can manage your account info. In your account settings, you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile or something similar. Click on that, and it will take you to a page where you can change various user details, including your username. You'll see a field for your username. Just type the new username you'd prefer. As you choose a new username, make sure it's unique and reflects how you want others to see you on Trello. Keep in mind that usernames are case-insensitive and must be longer than 2 characters. Before you hit Save, double-check to make sure everything is spelled correctly and that you have indeed entered a name that's available. An unavailable name will prompt a warning, and you'll need to try a different one. Once you've settled on the perfect new username, scroll down and click Save Changes. This is a significant step, and it's always a good idea to ensure you've clicked Save. You don't want to do all this customization and find it hasn't been applied. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Trello username. If you want to see the change in action, head back to your board where you should see the updated username reflected right away. It's always refreshing to give your Trello profile a new look. Now, you're all set with your new user identity. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.